Hello guys, it is Hockey Dev and this is a tutorial of how to download or how to have your own Bukkit server and port forward with a 2-wire router. Sorry guys if you don't have 2-wire. Yeah. So, this is pretty much for 2-wire, sorry. Alright, so first off, you're going to want to go to the link in the description, which is the first link, and it is going to be Minecraft, the Minecraft.net. Right, so go to Minecraft.net. I'm not sure if you really have to do this, but it worked for me, so I'm just going to show you how I did it. So go to download, then scroll down to you see Minecraft server.exe. So you're going to want to click it, save it. Alright, so let me minimize that. Oops. Let me do that first. Then minimize that. Alright, so you're going to want to create a new folder called, what you want to call it? Just call it MC Server Bucket, I guess. Alright, so, okay. Alright, so you're going to want to open that up. You're going to want to drag that in. Alright, so that's your first step down. Alright, the next step is to go to the other link in the description, which is bukkit.org. Alright, so when you're here, you're going to want to click Get Craft Bucket. Well, the link in the description. Actually, no. Don't go here. Alright, so you're going to want to go to the link in the description, the second link. Yeah, sorry I'm saying that so much. Second link. Alright, you're going to want to click. Alright, so it'll bring it here. You're going to want to click Recommended Build for Craft Bucket 1.2.5. Click it. Download Craft Bucket Recommended Build. Save it. Oh, crap. This may take a while. Alright, so pretty much, yeah. Let's get to the port forwarding. Well, actually, I'll just get these down first. Alright, so just wait for it to finish downloading. This is taking a while. I'm not sure why. Guess it's because I'm recording and so my internet's slow. Alright, so let me just show you how you're going to find your IP, like to connect to here. Alright, so you're going to want to do CMD, then you want to do IP config, which stands for IP configuration. Click enter. Alright, so you're gonna want to go scroll up to see IP4 address, and then you're gonna see default gateway. The default gateway is so you could get to your router page. So mine actually is not really this, but alright, so mine actually is this. Mine is 192.168.1 dot 245. No, 254. There we go. Alright. So, yeah, it's gonna... One second. Alright. Let's just close that. Alright, so it's gonna bring you to this page. 2-wire. Alright, so you're gonna want to click on Firewall. And as you can see, I already have a server. Yeah, that's the IP. Alright, so you're gonna want to click Applications and pinholes and stuff. You know. You know how I go. Alright, so after that, just leave it blank like that. Alright, alright. So now we're going to close that. We're going to do this. We're going to get to our downloads. We're going to drag the craft bucket into here. Alright, now you're going to want to, you're going to want to rename it. You're going to take all of this away and leave it just as craft bucket. Then you want to do new text document, and then you want to name it run, and right click or double click it, and then you're gonna want to go to the link in the description where it says where it is the craft bucket, where it's the craft bucket, and you will have all these lists of different. All right, so if you have Java 6, you're gonna want to copy and paste this, and if you have a 64-bit computer, you're gonna want to just keep it like this, and if you don't, you're gonna want to, instead of putting program files like that, you're gonna want to like edit it right there, and then you're gonna want to do parenthesis x 86. All right, I'll show you x86, and then another parentheses. I'll show you. Sorry. All right, this is what I have, so I'm just gonna copy this. Alright, let's see if this works, because sometimes it just doesn't want to work for me. Alright, so pretty much just go to your program files, go to here, parenthesis, x86, another parenthesis. Alright, so file, save as, then you're going to want to do run.bat, bat, and then you want to make sure you put this on all files. Alright, so yeah, so save it, close that down. Alright, open that, and you will generate a structure. Yeah. So to see that this is working, you're going to want to go to your Minecraft, slide that over. As you can see, it is generating a world. So you're going to want to log in. You're going to want to go to, alright, this, and then you're going to want to go to local, and then host, like that. Oops. Alright, join server. And as you can see, you are in your world. Alright, so exit out of that. Quit that. Alright, as you can see, it said HockeyDev logged in, and then it says connection reset, and then it said lost connection because I disconnected. You're going to want to do stop, stop. And then it's going to stop the server, saving chunks. Press enter. Then you're going to want to close that. Alright, so then you want to go to this, and you will have a list of, you'll have a plugins folder, you'll have worlds, and you'll have all this complicated stuff. Alright, so right here is your server properties. You could just edit these, you know. Alright, so like false, like say you wanted to like make something, so like say you wanted to not spawn animals, you would just replace this with false and then save it, but I'm not going to save that. Alright, so pretty much, yeah, then you run up your server again. Whenever you want to edit something, you're gonna have to stop your server and edit it, and then you're gonna run it again. Alright, so let's get to the port forwarding, shall we? Alright, so we're going to want to go to where we were before. I'm not sure if I have the password at the moment, but it's going to ask you for a password, don't worry about that. And like, I'm actually going to, yeah, it is going to ask you for a password. So if you have 2-wire on your, router, it is, or whatever you want to call it, your box, it's going to have a, it's gonna say like, you know, like where your Wi-Fi password is, it's gonna like say your Wi-Fi password. Then if you look to like the side of it, I guess, it says like something about online, check like for support online, and go to your IP thing, like 192.168 and stuff like that. And then it'll say like a password right underneath it. And so yeah, then you're gonna want to choose your PC, wherever you want to host the server from, pretty much. So click on your PC. Alright, so then you want to go to allow all applications, and then you want to go to add a new user defined application. Alright, so it's going to take you to here. Then you're going to want to do application profile name. You're going to want to just put anything. You could just put Minecraft Bukkit server. Then you're going to want to make sure this is on TCP. Then you're going to want to put your port. Since I already have you're going to want to put 25565, but since I already have a server that has that port, I'm going to do a different port. So 2555, wait, 255, then it would be 65, let's do 75. 25575, and then it's going to be, you're going to want to put the exact same thing on this box. So 25575. Right, you're going to leave all this blank. Then you're going to want to do add to list. Then it's going to ask you for your password if you didn't already log in. Alright, so hold on one second. I'm going to get my password. Alright guys, I'm back and I have my password right here. I'm going to enter my password. Alright, so you're going to want to press submit if you didn't already do this. Like, sometimes when you're going to port forward, it says it automatically, or just say, log in. So yeah. So after you did that, it will have this down here. So you're going to want to, see how it says TCP? Alright, so now you're not going to be able to edit your server anymore. So now you're going to want to select UDP. Then you want to do your same port, and then the same thing you did before. Alright. Then you're going to want to leave all this blank again. Then you want to click add to, whoa. Then you're going to click add to list, and then you're good. Alright, so now you're going to want to press back, and it's going to take you to here again. So then you're going to choose your PC again. Then you're going to scroll down, and you're going to do allow individual application. Alright, so now you're going to want to just find your server, Minecraft Bukkit server. Alright, so now you're going to want to press add. Alright, it's loading. Alright, so now it has added. Alright, so now you're going to want to press save, and after you save it, you have successfully port forwarded. So to see that you have port forwarded, you're going to want to go to the link in the description. It's going to be what's it called? Hold on, I'll be right back, guys. Alright, sorry about that, guys, but before you do that, you're going to want to type in Google, or actually go to the link in the description. It's going to be you're going to want to go here, you're going to want to go to it, and it's going to be ipchicken.com. Alright, so it's going to say your IP address, and it's going to, yeah, it's going to say your IP address, and this is the one that you give to your friends so they can log on. Alright, so you're going to want to take note of that. So I have already memorized my IP. So, after you get that, you're going to want to, now you're going to want to see if your port forwarding is successful. But actually, you're first going to have to run your server. So let's go back to our server and go to our server properties. So let's go to here. Then you're going to want to go to your server property. Actually, this is only if you change the port forwarding thing. Like, so if it wasn't 25565, you don't have to do any of this. So this is just because I changed mine, and, so yeah. I'm going to want to place it where it says server port, and I'm going to replace the 6 with a 7. I'm going to save this, and I am going to run my server. Alright, so it is gonna spawn this, generate the spawn again. Alright, so now you're gonna wanna go here. Alright guys, so you're gonna wanna go to the link in the description. I have finally found it, and you're gonna wanna use your IP, and then you're gonna wanna do your port number. So mine is 25575, and for this you're gonna have to have your server running. So make sure to take note of that. So you're gonna have to run it, and then you're gonna wanna press check. And alright, so your port 25575 is open on 99, yeah, blah blah.